Now, when you put seasoning on the grill, you gotta make sure you do it upwind. You don't want to be downwind, because we had a little incident the other day, putting pepper on some steak. Phil got some pepper in his eyes from the wind. We had to rush him to the hospital and put, they had to drain his eye and everything. So you want to make sure you do it upwind.
Hey everybody, this is SW Chris here. We've got another storm coming. Just wanted to show you what it looks like. See if I can get it right there behind me. That is the line of an approaching thunderstorm. Not tornadic, but it's kind of a neat cloud formation. So, what we're going to see in about 10 minutes is probably some pretty heavy winds, some rain. Well, not 5 minutes after I hung up, actually it's more like 3, you can see the winds are really starting to pick up. And that is because the front is directly over us. Ooh, here it comes. So we are going to see some serious crap. And we're trying to grill at the same time. So I don't know how that's going to work out. Say hi, Matt.
What are you doing over there?
This is for the YouTube channel. People don't know how cool these storms are, so I'm showing them. Alright. Sorry, you doing what?
Black pepper in my eye, damn it!
You got black pepper in your eye.
Yes! I got black pepper. I went in here and I sprayed it on the burgers away, picked up, threw it back behind.
Oh. She's really moving, look at that. A lot of crazy stuff. Alright, how are we doing on the meat? 4 burger patties. Maybe we should wait for the tornado. I don't know, there's no tornado coming. There's really no tornado. But you can see the front has now moved past us. And we are in the midst. Well, it's right over us. Look at that popcorn stuff. I think that's popcorn clouds. Some pretty cool stuff. Words are at a loss for the beauty of this thing. Alright, now it's really starting to rain. I'm going undercover. Ooh. Here it comes, folks. Visibility is now gone. Can't see the clouds anymore because it's obscured by the rain. Wind gusts are flowing over me. They're flecked with raindrops. So I'm getting kind of wet standing out here. Woo! It's like standing under a water sprinkler on a windy day. Yeah, looks like you did charcoal the burgers. Nice. I was not paying attention. So, grilling in a thunderstorm? Not the best outing. I'll pull out some more. Ooh, look at those baby briskets. Thanks. You want to try again?
Yeah.
Okay.
One's good.
One is okay. Those are
Hockey pucks.
hockey pucks. It's dog food, folks. Did you just eat that? He just ate that.
Nice and crisp. So that one's good.
Well, there you have it. Grilling in a thunderstorm. Not the smartest thing to do. He's right. But still pretty damn fun. And we're putting out the grill because we're going to try again later. Probably when it's not raining. So, not grilling during a thunderstorm. But after that, who knows? We'll try this again sometime, I think.
Second set would be better. because I'll pay attention to it.
Yeah, there you go.
This is what happens when you cook in the Midwest. You get fascinated by the storm. Oh, pretty! Oh, shit!